How to delete eSIM on the iPhone. First, let's go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we scroll down and tap on Cellular. After that, we scroll down and select a phone number. Then we scroll down and tap on Delete eSIM. And here, tap on Delete eSIM. And here it will ask you to confirm once more. Are you sure you want to delete this eSIM? This cannot be undone. So once you are sure, simply tap on this button to permanently remove the eSIM from your iPhone. Otherwise, if you change your mind, you can always tap on the cancel button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.